Peter Wallenberg Marketing and Sales Award 2026 goes to Abimael Alves, Pedro Rojo, Vanderson Lopez, and Ricardo Matias for successfully redefining offshore nitrogen from a high-risk, low-reliability supply of tanked liquid to an on-site generated, dependable, cost-predictable, and more energy-efficient alternative.
Traditionally, the offshore applications, they use liquid nitrogen for everything that they do, mainly focus on safety, to protect people and critical assets. If they doesn't have nitrogen, they have to stop the production on the platform. This is why we decide that why not remove the entire logistics for a completely new setup.
So now we are producing the nitrogen in high purity on-site of oil platforms.
We replaced these 40 containers by 4. And each container works like a piece of Lego.
Today the customer is very happy and we are negotiating an additional contract for new equipment.
Before, our client needed to bring these liquid nitrogen cylinders by boat to the oil platforms.
Today they can generate on-site, doesn't matter the flow, working pressure, we can generate on-site what they need. In terms of space, imagine the area required to storage 40 tanks, replaced by 4. And imagine you are in the middle of the ocean and everything needs to be so reliable. So when they saw that our operations just press a button to start and everything runs, and it's automatically control flow, purity, we can do without stopping the production. In financial point of view, the customer can save more than 50% of the total cost involved. And we are talking about more than 2,000 tons of CO2 in terms of emission, because less fuel on the sea transportation, truck transportation, and also we don't have waste. We are very energy efficient.
And we have all these technologies inside the Atlas Copco Group to create this solution. And I think this is a great solution.